Hi, I'm Sveta from FounderPal. We create tools that help founders with marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to use our free slogan generator. This is an AI-powered tool that will give you 30 slogans in 10 different tone of voices. First of all, go to FounderPal.ai and find Slogan Generator. Then describe your business and your target audience. As an example, I want to generate slogans for a screenshot tool that usually use social media managers. Screenshot tool, social media managers, and generate 30 slogans for free. In just 5 seconds, I got 30 slogans ideas that I can use in my communications. There are 10 different categories, and I can use the most relevant one depending on my product tone of voice. It might be confident, smart, friendly, minimalistic, mysterious, rational, inspiring, or whatever you like the most. Go to FounderPal.ai and generate slogans for your product. Even if you don't find your perfect slogan there, it will be a good brainstorming